It's on his track. Tracks and running.
Wow, what are those?
Tracks.
What are the tracks for?
It's for teacher train.
Do you have a train?
No.
Maybe you should go get your other present. Look, Sean. Sean. Maybe you should go get it.
No.
Why don't you go get your last present over there, Sean?
No, Buddy.
Okay, you won't touch him. I'll watch him. I'll watch him while you go get your last present. Okay? I won't let him touch him. Okay? I'll hold him right here. Here, you go get your last present. See your tracks over there. What do you think it is, Sean?
This is my tracks.
Yes.
Get over for me. It's my tracks.
Can you pull on this piece of paper? Here, I'll hold your tracks.
Okay. What is that?
What is that, Sean?
I need scissors.
Here, I'll open it. What do you think it is? What is it? Look.
Teacher train. No.
Great.
Are those your tracks?
It's my tracks.
Look what Mommy and Daddy got you.
Train.
Shawnee's first train. Kind of.
Train. Trains are pieces. Train. And the last piece. And the last piece, train. Trains are...
It has lots of pieces.
No.
Be nice. Maybe Beebles can do it with you.
Give me back.
No, Mama. No, Betty.
Can you say thank you, Mommy and Daddy, Sean?
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome.